Hello everyone, welcome back to ABW's 2-Minute Kitchen. This is Chef Chris, and today we're talking about the brand new KitchenAid Smart Oven. We're going to show you how to make a 3-course meal in one single oven. KitchenAid is known for their innovation, and you can see it with the accessories they give you with this oven: grill, steamer, and bake stone. So we're going to start steaming the salmon right now in the steam accessory, and I'm going to go to the control panel and show you how easy it is. Look at all the different features we have here. We're going to select steam, fish, and we're just going to hit enter. It's as easy as that. This also has Wi-Fi connectivity to enhance your cooking experience. Let's get this out of the oven. All right, let's take a good look. Wow, I wish you could smell this. It smells amazing. So now it's time to grill. You're going to be amazed at how these steaks turn out, just like cooking outside in the backyard on your grill. Wow, look at that. I really cannot believe the type of cooking that this grill does. Look at these grill marks on there. Couldn't be any more perfect than that. Okay, now it's time for dessert. You just drop the baking stone right back on top of the same element, and we're ready to go. Got a little strawberry galette. It's going to be ready in no time at all. So one other nice fact about this particular oven is the convection has a very even heat, true convection fan. So everywhere inside this oven cavity is going to be the exact same temperature, which results in great baking outcome. You could see the versatility of the KitchenAid oven. We have done all of this cooking today on one single oven. We've done appetizers, main course, and desserts, all from the single KitchenAid Smart Oven. So I can't wait to dig into this in just a couple minutes. This is Chef Chris signing out. Please visit us on abwappliances.com. Thank you.